Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to read Kraken's trading charts in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So go ahead and log into your Kraken account using your email address and your password on Kraken's website. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to navigate to the trading page by clicking on the trade tab. So go ahead and click trade, and that's going to take you to the trading page. Now there you're going to select the cryptocurrency pair that you want to view the trading chart for. So go ahead and select that cryptocurrency pair, and then you're going to choose the chart type, such as candlestick or line chart. And you can always adjust the chart settings, such as the time frames as well as the indicators, and just use that to analyze the chart, to identify trends and patterns, and that's going to help you to make better trading decisions. That's pretty much it on how to read Kraken's trading charts in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.